Okay, so this video is going to show you how to do the mirror surrealism option for marking period number 3. And this option is actually a lot easier than you think it is. The only thing that you have to remember for taking the pictures is you absolutely need to use a tripod, so nothing moves in your pictures except for your subjects. So what you're going to see with my example is everything remains the same: the mirror, the soapbox, the sink, everything. The only thing that changes is me. So when you are taking this picture, you absolutely need to use a tripod. When you're opening these pictures in Photoshop, you can do it one of two ways. You can load them into the stack like we've done before for other projects, or you can open one picture and then go to File, Place, and then you would place your second picture on top. So when you open this one and you click Place, it puts that picture right on top there, so you will have two layers of pictures. Once you hit the check mark to accept it, then your picture will be there permanently. Once you have your pictures placed, you have to decide which one you want to be the main part and which one you want to be the reflection. So I kind of want the Darth Vader mask to be my reflection, so I'm actually going to flip these two layers around. Right now my background layer is locked, so I have to double click on it, click OK to unlock it, and I'm going to put that layer on top. So when you are going to change the mirror, you can do it one of two ways. The simple way is just to take one of your selection tools, like the lasso tool I have here, or your quick selection tool, make a selection around the mirror, and since you use the tripod and nothing changes, when I make the selection, if I just hit delete, it takes everything out and brings the layer beneath it inside of it. So if I click off of here, that's what I just deleted, and again it fills in the checkerboard with the picture that's beneath, and since the picture beneath did not move from the tripod, it fills in exactly the same. But doing it this way, I'm actually damaging the original picture, and I'm kind of taking that out and actually deleting it, which is fine for this project, but you don't always want to actually delete part of your picture. So I'm going to undo that and hit Control D to deselect. So you can do it that way, or you can do what we've been doing and add a layer mask to the top layer, take your paintbrush, and just kind of paint it out. So it really doesn't matter in the long run as long as you get the project done. But this way is protective because I can just delete the layer mask and then my picture is still okay. So it's really up to you which way you'd want to do. If you're confident in your abilities to be able to delete something and not damage the rest of your picture, by all means you can do it that way. If you're just comfortable using the layer masks, you can keep using the layer mask and get it done that way too. So that's it for this project. It's really, really simple. I think you had to do 5 of these to complete this option. So once you have this part done, you would go to File, Save As, and make sure you change the format to a JPEG. The first JPEG, and then name it something recognizable, Mirror 1, and then just click Save. Make sure you're dragging your quality over to the right-hand side for the largest file size, and then click OK. So you'd have to repeat that process 4 more times to have separate pictures, and then submit them to Google Classroom.